I'll show you the materials required for the project. Color matching. I require B box, 6 2-pin patch cords, 2-pin connectors, RGB LEDs, red, green and blue, LDR, light sensor, and batteries and serial connectors. Now I'll show the construction part for the project, color matching. I'll take my light sensor, connect it to 2-pin patch cord, connect my 2-pin connectors to patch cord and connect that to sensor port A1. Now I'll take my red LED, long leg positive, short leg negative, and connect that to pin E4 of port E1. Make sure you connect positive to E4 and negative to negative. Red is positive, that goes to E4, and black is negative, which goes to negative. I'll take my green LED, connect it to 2-pin patch cord. I'm connecting my green LED to port F, pin F4. Positive goes to F4 and negative goes to negative. Now I'll connect my blue LED. Connect it to 2-pin patch cord. And connect that to port B, pin B4. Red goes to B4 and black goes to minus, negative. So I've connected my 3 LEDs, RGB and also the LDR. Now I'll connect my batteries. Batteries are connected to serial connector, and I'll connect the serial connector to my B box. I'll show you how to project LEDs on LDR. For that we need to extend the wire. So I'll connect my 2-pin connectors to 2-pin patch cord and connect another 2-pin patch cord. And for that connect my external LED which needs to be projected on the LDR. And connect that to port C1 of port C. Here I have taken a cardboard and made 4 holes on the cardboard, 3 for LEDs and 1 for LDR. This is the backside wave and front wave. I have taken a paper and made it cylindrical shape, turned it in a cylindrical shape and fixed over all the 4 holes. I have connected my LDR here, green LED, red LED and blue LED. I have fixed the cylinders using tape, cellophane tape. Now I have connected my B box to the cardboard and I have connected my 2-pin patch cords to the respective LEDs and also connected the LEDs. So sensor and my 3 LEDs. Now I'll connect my batteries to B box. So this is the setup, how it looks from backside view, and this is how it looks from front view.
Let's get into the programming part for the project color matching. Start component, under settings tab, A1 input, analog, save. Drag a decision component. According to the values checked in the B profiler, for red LED, green LED and blue LED, we set the sensor values. When red LED is projected on the sensor, the value changes, and when blue LED is projected, the sensor value is something else, and when the green LED is projected, the sensor value is something else. So according to that values, we write the values in decision component. For that, first we'll write for red, if A1 is in between 660 to 670. When red LED is projected, we get the values on the LDR. We get the values. A1 is in between 660 to 670. Then drag output component. We are using port B, port E, and port F. In port B, we are using B4, E4, and F4. So here the value is 0, 1, 0. Now drag another decision component. This is for green. When the green LED is projected on the LDR, you get the values as A1 is in between 610 to 620. So drag output component and enable B4, E4, F4, and it is 0, 0 and 1 for green to glow green LED. Drag another decision component. This is for blue. When blue LED is projected on the LDR, you get the values as is in between 560 to 570. So for that, drag another output component, enable B4, E4, F4. We are using the ports B4, E4 and F4. So, and then make E0, F0, which turns on blue LED. Here F4 turns on green LED, and here E4 turns on red LED. Now drag another decision component. This is when light sensor is not detecting any light. The time we get the sensor values, A1 is less than 400. When sensor is not detecting any color, that is red, blue or green, then drag output component, turn off all the LEDs. 0, 0, 0. So this is the program for color matching experiment.
Here are my 3 LEDs, red, blue and green. This is a 2-pin patch cord, and to which I am going to connect my LEDs to match the colors. And here I have placed my light sensor, which is nothing but LDR, green LED, red LED and blue LED. So now to show you the demonstration, I'll put off my light. Now I'm connecting my first LED to 2-pin patch cord. So this is red color. So the red LED is glowing. Next, I'll connect my second LED, which is blue in color. So let me project that on LDR. So blue LED is glowing. Now I'll connect my third LED, which is green LED. And that is my green LED glowing. So this is how color matching experiment can be conducted.